Hello everyone. I hope that you have completed your homework of session 2 where you have to draw a digestive system. So this is our third session, and in this session we are going to learn about glucose. See how the glucose drip is there. But before that we will revise the things that we have learned in session 2. So in this session 2 we have learned many things, that is about saliva, which is present in our mouth, and saliva is very much important in digestion of food. If saliva is not there, there is no proper digestion. See, the salivary glands secrete the saliva into our mouth. So in our mouth salivary glands are present, and that gland just secreting a fluid, a liquid, that is known as saliva, and that saliva, it just helps to moisten the food and making that easier to swallow. Understood about the saliva? Saliva secreted by salivary glands which present in our mouth, and saliva helps us in digestion process. Then we have learned a digestive system. See, how many organs are there in digestive system? How many? 6 organs are there that in digestive system. Actually 5 are there. 6 means that mouth, because if mouth is not there we cannot just chew that food or cannot swallow that food. So see, food pipe, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So when we are just eating our food with the help of mouth, then after swallowing that food, it just going in stomach through food pipe. In stomach many digestive juices are there that mixed with our food, and then that food passed in the small intestine, where small intestine just absorb the digested part, and just undigested part is there, whatever undigested part is there, that sent to the large intestine. In large intestine water is absorbed, and the remaining part that remove from our body with anus, through the anus. So this is our digestive system where these organs helps in digestion process. See, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Now in this session see about a glucose drip. So first we will learn one story, and according to that story we will learn about glucose drip. So just listen carefully. Neetu was very sick. All day she was vomiting, and she also had loose motions. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution. By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. She needs to be given a glucose drip. Just listen carefully. She needs to be given a glucose drip. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. She knew that during the games period in school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink. But what was a glucose drip? Dr. Aunty explained, your stomach is upset. Your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become very weak. The glucose drip will you give some strength quickly even without eating. So this is a story. So I just want to ask some questions, that have you heard the word glucose? Yes, I think that you have heard that word glucose, maybe in school during our sports, correct? When there was sports, that sports day is there, some students are there, they just feel very weak after just playing or running during some activity, they just feel very weak. So teachers are giving them a water and that glucose mixture, that solution, and after drinking that glucose solution we feel very energetic. Correct? See how the glucose drip is there. The glucose solution and glucose drip, there is a difference. Glucose solution means what? We are just that adding glucose powder in water, making a solution of glucose and then drinking. But glucose drip means what? The drip that directly deposits the glucose, directly makes the glucose into the blood stream for getting energy. Glucose solution means what? We are drinking. But glucose drip means what? With the help of that needle or that injection, we are just directly depositing or directly adding the glucose into our blood stream. After that we get energy quickly. So that is the difference between the glucose solution and glucose drip. Understood? Sometimes it is happen that there are some students or some people are there, they are not eating food properly, so they feel very dizzy, very sick, and in that case glucose drip is very much important for giving them energy. So many questions are there in your textbook that have you heard the word glucose, and I know that you have heard that, but have you ever tested glucose? Means many students are there, they have tested glucose. How does it test? Bitter, salty, how does it test? Yes, little bit sweet, little bit salty. Okay. Next question is that have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? That means that person has admitted in hospital and all, like that. Do you know when and why? Means if anyone is there in your home that has admitted in the hospital, but do you know why? Yes, because of the less energy, because of weakness. Correct? Next question is that Nitu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Do you know why? Yes, when we are playing, we are using our energy, and then while playing, just energy is decreasing, and for that our teachers are saying to have a glucose to get quick energy. Understood? So glucose is a sugar which provides energy for the body. Normally the glucose is naturally present in our body fluids. Body fluids means what? The water that present in body or blood that present in body. So in that fluids naturally the glucose is present, and which is needed for normal body function. But sometimes it is happen that because of less food, because of too much body activities are there, like playing or something other activities are there, so in that case our body the energy is just decreasing, and for that we need glucose drip. Understood about the glucose drip? Any doubt is there? See, I have mentioned the question answers. Actually the glucose drip is only for means a small point is there, and from this point actually you have to just learn what is a glucose drip and the important or the use of glucose drip. So glucose drip means what? The drip that directly deposit the glucose into bloodstream for getting energy. Understood? And glucose is a sugar which gives us energy. Understood? The glucose drip and the use of glucose? Yes, very good. So see, I have mentioned the question answers. Have you heard the word glucose or seen it written anywhere or where? Already I have written the answers, but still if you have any doubt you can just take help of these questions or these answers. Yes, I have heard the word glucose and seen it written on glucose packet. I have seen it in various advertisement on TV and in newspaper, etc. So everywhere we can see the glucose word. So that your answer you have to write, don't copy from this answer. Next question is that have you ever tested glucose or how does it test? That you have to tell to your friends, but these questions you have to write in your notebook. So if you have not heard the word, so just write that I have not heard the word glucose. But if you have, then just write yes, I have heard the word glucose, which is sweet in taste, sweet and salty in taste. And the third question is that have you or anyone in your family been given a glucose drip? When and why? Tell the class about it. So here you have to write your own experience, that you have, just means have you been given a glucose drip, if your family member is there, when and why. That experience you have to write in your own words. Next one, that Neetu's teacher is just saying that just have a glucose while playing hockey. So see the reason. While playing, a lot of sweating occurs, which causes loss of water and salt from the body. So as you know that glucose is a solution of sugar and salt. So when we are adding sugar and salt, that is a glucose solution. So while playing, the sweating is there. Sweating means what? The water is just going out of our body. Or salt, just we are just losing the water and salt while playing. And in that case, actually we are just losing our energy. And that's why we have to drink glucose solution that gives us instant energy. Understood? That also you have to write in your own words. So I hope that you have understand about a glucose drip. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Again, we just revise that about a glucose drip. So glucose is a sugar, first point. Next is difference between a glucose solution and glucose drip. So glucose solution means what? That powder, that sugar plus salt we are adding in water. And glucose drip means what? Same solution, that sugar plus salt and water, but that drip we are depositing directly in our bloodstream. So that is the difference between a solution and glucose drip. Next, why we are just taking, or the doctors or teachers suggested to take the glucose drip, that is because of we are losing our energy while doing activities. Understood about the glucose drip? Yes. So today's homework is that whatever the questions are there that I have mentioned, you have to write that answer in your own words. Okay, take care and enjoy your sessions. Thank you.